मैं जब ये इंटरव्यू का वो कर रही थी ना सारा रिसर्च वगैरह, तो मैं एक ब्लैक होल में चली जाती हूँ उस बंदे के बारे में। तो मैंने पढ़ा, पहले मुबारकबाद तुम्हें दूँ कि यू नो शादी मुबारक हो, कुछ इंटरनेट पे तुम्हारी साल शादी हुई थी जुलाई के अंदर। सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस। हाउ इज योर हस्बैंड?
I must be doing well. I have no idea. Achha, so that is what you asked.
Yeah, so I read, I was like, so I called Ali Rahman and I was like, हाँ so yeah, what's your husband like? And he's like, मोमिना पागल हो गई हो? I was like, no Ali, मैंने पढ़ा था उसकी शादी हुई थी। He's like, प्लीज उससे पूछना कि उसकी शादी किससे हुई हुई है।
My parents would have a heart attack right now. Watching this interview, what the hell? When did you get married? Oh God, no, yaar. Internet has some really pretty weird stuff. The problem is I don't correct it. I don't know why. I really.
I don't know how. I mean, कितना टाइम हो गया करेक्ट करने के लिए? Like, just imagine with the amount.
मतलब एक correct करूँगी तो 10 incorrect चीजें आएंगी. So I'm like,
It's just like
yeah,
black hole. अच्छा, मैं ख्याल हूँ किसी और का is doing really well, and you know it's become quite a sensation.
quite talked about.
Yeah, it's very talked about. What's your favorite part about the serial? Like, what drove you towards it the most?
Okay, so it was the divorce part.
Yeah.
क्या कहते हैं? Plus we had to do a lot of research on divorce. कि 3 दफा तलाक कहने से तलाक होती नहीं है.
Yeah. और ये लोगों को नहीं पता, कुछ प्रोसेस होता है. उसके अंदर एक तलाक के बाद मीडिएशन होती है, और उस मीडिएशन में आपने अपने इश्यूज रेकंसाइल करने होते हैं.
Absolutely.
उसके बाद आप सेकंड डिवोर्स आती है, एंड इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस.
So by law of state and by Sharia law, it's the same. You cannot. इस तरह नहीं होता कि unfortunately we just 3 दफा तलाक बोल के you think okay it's done and gone with. So many there were so many cases where women did not know that they were not divorced because 3 दफा तलाक कहने से, and then there are certain circumstances जिसमें you cannot divorce a woman. You cannot, and even if you are divorcing her, तो उसमें you have to compensate her. You cannot just let her go like that. So I think that was one thing that really intrigued.
No, and ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है that needs to be talked about a lot also, because एक तो taboo बहुत है when there shouldn't be, and then I think it's being misused also because people don't know, are maybe not so